Hi there, I'm Alan with mydrafttable.com. We manufacture these tables in the United States. They are built tough to last. They're easily assembled. There are 8 bolts and they're all the same size, and we supply you with the wrench to assemble it. They come in 3 different sizes. This particular size is a small, 30 inches wide by 24 inches deep. Our medium table, 42 inches wide by 24 inches deep, and our large table is 54 inches wide by 24 inches deep. They also come in 3 different colors. This particular color is bronze. The actual size of the whole table, 38 inches from front to back. The highest point is 62 inches, and the table is 34 inches off the ground. We have adjustable pads at the bottom on each leg to level off the table. The actual table has 5 different positions, 5 different angles, and this is the lowest it will go. It's a slight angle, it's not perfectly flat, and these tables are easily adjusted from the front, or from the side, preferably from the front. It's a little bit easier. And this is the most vertical position that the table will sit, and we have rubber runners on either side so the table doesn't rub against the steel framing. We have an accessory here. It's a roll of paper. You could put wrapping paper, you could put brown paper, and the paper is usually rolled down here. We have another roller down there, and you can keep on winding it from one roller to the other on a continuous basis. The paper is good, or can be used in any position the table is in. In other words, if the table is in this position, for instance, you can use it like so. We have another roller down here, just below the table, and it's in this position just as good. You can and you can roll it back to the other roller, like I showed you earlier. As of now, at the moment, we have free shipping to the lower 48 states, and you won't be sorry. This is the most versatile, functional table on the market. And everything is square, and everything works as it should. Thanks for watching, and hope to hear from you soon.